Water in my knees, but I keep my stride. Pressure in my chest, but I still don't hide. Every wave hits hard, but I hold my pride. Walking through the flood with a fire inside. Cold rain falling while the sky turns black. Every step heavy, but I don't look back. Pain in my bones, but I stay on track. I don't break easy, I don't ever crack. Walking through the flood, waters pushing through the wave. Heart still steady, even when the world shakes. If the tide gets high, I don't hesitate. I rise through the storm, I control my fate. Currents try to pull me, but